Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a diploma in electrical engineering. Start by building a strong foundation in core concepts. Focus on understanding fundamental principles like Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's laws, which are crucial for all electrical work. Practice basic circuit analysis for both series and parallel configurations. Knowing your components, from resistors to capacitors, will also give you a significant advantage. Theory is important, but practical application is key. Dedicate significant time to solving a wide variety of practice problems from your textbooks and previous exams. Actively participate in lab sessions. These hands-on experiences solidify your understanding and help you see how concepts work in the real world. Developing strong troubleshooting skills will also prove invaluable throughout your studies and career. To maximize your learning, adopt smart study strategies. Establish a consistent study schedule and commit to it daily, even if it's just for an hour. Collaborating in study groups can clarify difficult concepts and offer new perspectives. Regularly review your notes and actively test yourself using methods like flashcards or self-quizzing to ensure information sticks. As you progress, delve into more advanced topics such as power systems, electronics, and control engineering. Don't hesitate to leverage the vast array of online resources, including tutorials, educational videos, and specialized forums, to deepen your understanding. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Staying organized and well-fed helps you focus on your studies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.